Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make $5,000 per month with PayPal. Now, I know what you're thinking. $5,000 per month is a lot of money. And it is. But it's also definitely possible to achieve, if you're willing to put in the work. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 different ways to make $5,000 per month with PayPal. These methods are all legitimate and have the potential to generate a significant amount of income. So, if you're ready to start making some money, then let's get started. Method 1. Freelancing. One of the best ways to make money with PayPal is through freelancing. There are a number of websites where you can find freelance gigs, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. When you freelance, you'll be able to find work in a variety of fields, such as writing, editing, web design, graphic design, and programming. The amount of money you can make will vary depending on your skills and experience. Method 2. Online surveys. Another great way to make money with PayPal is through online surveys. There are a number of websites that will pay you to take surveys, such as Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars. The amount of money you can make with online surveys will vary, but you can usually expect to earn a few dollars per survey. Method 3. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller does not keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the seller purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Drop shipping can be a great way to make money with PayPal, as you won't need to invest in any inventory. However, it's important to choose a reputable dropshipping supplier to ensure that you're providing quality products to your customers. Method 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money by promoting other people's products or services. When you sign up for an affiliate program, you'll be given a unique link that you can use to promote the product or service. If someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. The amount of commission you earn will vary depending on the affiliate program. Method 5. Selling digital products. If you have a skill or knowledge that others would be willing to pay for, you can sell digital products through PayPal. This could include ebooks, courses, templates, or software. The amount of money you can make selling digital products will vary depending on the product and your marketing efforts. These are just a few of the many ways to make $5,000 per month with PayPal. If you're willing to put in the work, there's no reason why you can't achieve this goal. So what are you waiting for? Start today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money online. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.